What's up? This your boy,
Leom, the nature guy. Oh,
yeah. We got some Cheddar Bob 86 giraffes. So we got these people from the giraffe store. They're like cats. We got some cats, and so
There's some giraffe cats.
no, they're not giraffes. No, they're giraffes, not cats. So we bought these from the giraffe store. They're cute cats, but they're giraffes. And this one's trying to eat me.
Oh yeah.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. These are bulls, rhinoceros beetles, and the rhinoceros beetles, and they like eating human brains. So they will eat you. They will eat you because these things are giraffes and they like eating human brains. Like, see this one? Stop trying to eat me, weirdo. They're like, hey, eat it.
They don't eat the hay.
Yes, they do.
They sleep in the hay.
Well, duh. They're rhinoceros beetles. They turn into a giraffe at night and they eat zombies.
Don't they?
I'm Leom, the nature guy. I know everything. Yo, nothing.
Don't they have snakes?
Stop it.
For Isn't their first drink of the meal snakes?
Yes. And then they drink their vomit. And then they eat their poop. And then they roll around in it. And
that
it
could be-
smells good.
I mean, they-
What is up, guys? It's your boy.
Leom, the nature guy.
Oh,
We
yeah.
start